morning, you guys. So I was about to do an oil treatment, but then I realized I should probably color my hair because the last time I colored my hair, I did like a way too light color right here. And I need to match it because my hair just looks like crazy right now, but I got some grays coming back in, so that's fun. It's Sunday today, and we decided not to go to church today because we're gonna be going up to breakfast and we're just gonna like have a fun day because yesterday I had to work. So we're gonna be doing that today. OOTD for the day. And an unhappy toddler. So I just got him dressed, but I have to brush his hair. What?
His face.
So this is a lake and it's all frozen over right now. So pretty. We just saw some moose. It's just the most gorgeous thing ever. There's the mountains. There's my husband. It's so windy. God. We're in Oakley, Utah. We're exploring today.
We're gonna go through Weber Canyon.
Weber. And we're driving into like some serious crazy weather right now. That should be fun. So we were driving along, and all of a sudden a freaking snowstorm hit us. So if you guys can tell, look, you can't even see like the sky at all. It's just, it's supposed to be right there. Right there. But look at this.
Rebekah's a little scared.
Well, I'm from California, so, you know. But you know it's not, I mean, this is gnarly conditions.
Yes.
For us. You know what I mean? Like, we're just taking it slow. Huh?
It's gnarly, but...
Yeah. We're taking it slow. But wow. We're almost out of the canyon. That was definitely scary. Because you have these cars that are like pulling over and they're not pulling over, they're just going the other lane like super slow. They turn on their hazards and they almost cause an accident for everyone else, so. But we made it out. We're almost there. So we are just warming up. We're back at the house. I should have said that first. And we made it through this treacherous snow. but we're gonna warm up some leftover taco meat with a little bit of corn, and then I got these shells from Thrive Market, and they're it's my first Thrive Market order, but I got these and like a couple other things. But yesterday we had these and I didn't warm them up in the oven like to make them crispy, so it tasted all like hard and soggy kind of. It was weird, like a weird like texture in my mouth. And then I realized that I needed to warm them up today, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those in the oven. Just have two. I'm gonna put some avocado in there, and I think just some like salsa and stuff. So, but Payson's eating over here. He's just having the leftovers with us. And then I'm gonna be going grocery shopping in a little bit too, and I'll show you guys what I get. Okay, I barely have enough room on my counter for all this stuff, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. It was pretty expensive because I had to get some things that I normally don't get, and let's be honest, I did get a couple things I didn't need, but they're treats. So let's start with this. I got bananas. I got this, I've heard this yogurt is really good because it's if my camera will over focus. This is a probiotic coconut yogurt, and I wanted to try it, and I like having yogurt at night, like for dessert. Yeah, it's only got 1 gram of sugar, so I thought that was cool. I've heard really great things about this brand of chocolate and just these sweets, so I'm definitely excited to try those. I had to get some brown sugar for like my coffee and just for baked goods and stuff that I use. I got some Purely Elizabeth oatmeal because I'm gonna start adding some oats back into my life. Milked oats for like whatever I need it for. Garlic, minced garlic. I had to get some sage for a dish that I'm going to be making. This is the taco seasoning that I always get. It's from the Siete brand. I love that taco seasoning. It's really healthy. I wanted to try this new chocolate called Evolved, and it's paleo, but it's brownie batter. I don't know, I just thought it looked good, so I'm going to definitely try that. And then I got this paleo baking flour for just like pancakes, muffins, whatever you want to make. And then I got arrowroot flour for baking. I got nutritional yeast for soup that I'm gonna be making. I got this big thing of almond flour for baking and different things, pancakes and stuff. Raspberries, strawberries, chocolate chips. These do, I think, have dairy in them, but I always like, if they don't have the paleo version, I just get these and just, you know, I'm not allergic to dairy or anything. I just try not to eat it. And then this is the sweet potato fries. I bought this pressed juice because I wanted like a little juice like to sip on through the day. I got this maple syrup, baking soda, this bread for Payson and my husband if they want it, 1 onion, avocado, and then I wanted to try these Jack's Paleo, I don't know, they're like lemon cookies. Then I got these power greens and some oranges and a lemon. And that's pretty much all that I got, but it adds up really fast. My husband knows, he's right behind me. He already gave me the 3rd degree. So I got a couple things from Amazon. I was gonna show you guys what I got. A couple things for Payson and a couple things for me. My son is screaming in the background. My husband has him. So Payson has been tweaking with our oven knobs. And so I got these protectors, and I don't even know if they're gonna be like great or not, but this is the brand Stove Knob Covers. But yeah, that's what they look like. I would show you the front, but it's got like my address and all that on there. Then we got this outlet cover box. Look how cool that is. It's just a box. My plan is to put that one right here because this is my son's room and we don't want him getting into the outlets. So now I'm gonna open this bag right here. My camera always zooms in. I actually have this shirt. It's like a long sleeve fleece shirt. But I have this in an orange color, but I wanted it in the brown. And I don't even know if it's the exact same shirt, but we're gonna see, I guess. This is just from Amazon. I mean, I don't know what brand really, but it feels the same. I mean, kind of. I think it might be the exact, I mean, it's made the exact same way. So it's just got that little crisscross in the middle. And it's like a fleece, like I said. So it's very warm, but I have, like I said, I have that orange one. So I could own this in every color because it's so soft. And then I got these. I actually just ordered some sunglasses like last week, but they are like huge on my face. So I was like, I don't know if I want these. So I'm trying a different pair. And I actually saw these yesterday and I was like, oh my gosh, these look so cute. I don't know how they'll look on me. This is the brand Sojo's. I've never heard of that before. Bigger frame too. But they're so cute. These are like really cute. I wanted like the dark lens, but I also wanted the gold frame, so this works out perfect for that. So yeah, these are my new glasses. And what's ironic is that these frames are exactly the same size as the other ones, so how funny is that? I'm like chilling in my son's room. Hey. But I actually like these cover like a good amount of like, you know, the area, but they're just massive. So did not expect them to be that big a lens, but they are super cute. All right, you guys, it is time to say goodbye. I colored my hair, I just colored the roots, and I feel like it's still a little bit too light, which is totally fine, but I took care of business, I got it done, and I feel a lot better over it. But we had dinner, and now we're just gonna call it a night. It's been a good day. We took like a really long, good drive, and it was nice because I was telling my husband that I just need to get out of the house. And, you know, as a stay-at-home mom, you feel like you're just in prison sometimes because you're just always home. So it's like nice to be able to get out and like do some adventuring and exploring. So we finally got to go and do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if there was any products or anything like that, again, if you saw in this video, like the ones that I opened or anything, if you want to get the link for those, I can definitely send that to you. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day, what's left of it, or if it's just the morning, I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe for future content, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.